We know right where you're at, don't we? You're going to do your usual thing, aren't you? Huh? What is this? Do you like Obama? Do you like Ron Paul? Okay. Do you like Romney? Didn't think so. Just Ron Paul, right? What bird? We got to give you some watermelon for that one. Is Obama a criminal? Huh? Oh, big time criminal, isn't he, huh? You're about ready to poop on me, aren't you? Hey, does Romney stink? Romney stinks big time, doesn't he? Ron Paul's great, isn't he? Yep. No Romney, right? No Romney. That's a cool bird. American bird, right? Made in America? That's a good bird. And you built your business by yourself? No, you had help. But you started it. Get out of my... No. No nose picking. No. No nose picking. Go on now. Go get your melon. Go get your melon. Look at all that melon down there. Did you just poop on me? Look at that good melon. Huh? Come on. Get down there. Come on. If you're not going to get off, I'm going to hold you. I'll give you a bit. There you go. Good bird. All right. You go home for the night. You little political activist.